like your popsicle? You like your popsicle? You just like that you can get away with putting some plastic in your mouth. What about you? Oh. Max. Max. Uh-oh. The juice is loose.
The juice is loose.
The juice is loose.
Hey, can I try some of that juice?
No.
Oh. I have blue raspberry and lime sometimes. Max.
I think the lime might have been a little much for Max.
Oh, can I have some of this?